Dun dun dun. What's happening?
Google boat, mother boat, mother.
I died.
Drink it to her, Charlie.
Huh?
I'm dead.
Yes, please.
I'm dead, Charlie. Charlie, we're recording.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
I'll record the footage. Should
I'm
I?
recording the footage. I'm recording it.
Should I?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. You need to join my team. We can just do my video and I tag you. I can tag your YouTube channel.
Yeah. Want me to look?
You need to join my team, Charlotte.
Face.
You need to join my team. I know you know about. It worked. It worked for Charlie, didn't it?
Yeah, but stay there.
I am. What up? I'm live. I'm just gonna sit down. We nearly did it, Charlie. We nearly.
Never.
I want the jetpack.
It's full.
I got the jetpack.
It's full.
So we get to a different server.
Yes.
But I'm still recording.
It does not matter.
It doesn't matter anymore. Alexandra.
Just reveal your username.
No! Don't do that to me. There we go. You can join in a
No
server.
one can see your username.
Yes, I know they can. Not.
Wait, didn't you do a YouTube video of that?
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Nah, everyone knows your username.
I know. There's no friend request. I'm on it.
Oh.
Should I do my vote on my team? Should I do the vote on my team?
That's yours.
Yonk.
Batman.
I do my vote on my team. Join my team. I'm purple. I'm purple. I'm purple. Do you want to join my team?
Pinky, pinky.
Are you my team?
Ah!
I'm black. I'm black, Charlie. I haven't got it. Oh, Charlie. Charlie, what's happening? Change. Change. I don't have it. So what are you in a team with? Oh, you're with you. Whatever your name is. So you can join black. So let's see if I can join yellow.
Yeah.
So let's see if I can join your team.
Yeah.
Look. Yes, thank you. I'm in. Shall I put my boat on?
I'll record now. I'll see if I have enough storage. But
Our boat is here too.
make sure it doesn't show up. You must stay safe.
I got a boat.
I
Got a boat. I got a boat. Let's go on my boat now, Charlie.
Side of the house.
I'm on my boat. Go on our boat.
What boat?
This one where you're going on. This is our boat. Go in your chair. My jetpack. My jetpack. Are we gonna make it now? Do you think we are?
Dream regarding stop.
Yeah, I know it has. No! I feel like it's about to fall over, Charlie. The boat. The boat is about to fall over, Charlie, I think. So where's the...
Dream regarding.
It won't let you. Let's just do it on my video.
Okay.
Please don't fall over, please.
I don't think I can ever do YouTube.
Please don't fall over.
I have to quit YouTube because of this.
Please don't fall over. Please. Oh no.
I have to quit YouTube
I have the jetpack.
because I can't record anything.
What's that?
You said that I'm quitting YouTube.
Yeah. What do you look like? Can I post it to my YouTube channel?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No, I feel like it's about to fall over, Charlie. You better be scared.
Your name Miffy likes cuddles.
Oh, I know my username.
Huh?
You know my username.
Who?
My boomers.
Oh. Well, they've always done it.
Yeah, they did. They always did.
They are.
Yeah.
Whoever watching this are pros.
Yes. Oh no, I feel like our boat's about to fall over, Charlie. I don't know why, but I feel like it's about to fall over. Look, the metal bit is tilting.
If it doesn't work, I have to quit Roblox. Oh, you said that I have to quit YouTube.
Yes.
Right, I will get some juicy
I think it will fall over. The boat will fall over, Charlie. What you getting?
juice.
Oh, I don't know. I think that's my juice. What colour is your orange? We might make it, Charlie. We might make it. Oh, a bowling balls are hitting us. We're getting bullied. Yeah. Don't fall over, please. Why are we eating corner, Charlie?
I have no idea.
We didn't have to do anything.
We didn't do anything.
Ah! The a bowling ball is following us.
What?
Look. Oh, no. Look. There's a bowling ball following us, Charlie. No. Charlie, you're not on the boat. You left. You're not on the boat.
You left.
No, you left. I didn't leave. How would I know?
You went on my couch.
The bowling ball. I don't even know your password. How would I?
I don't know.
It's probably your niece. It's probably your niece going into your account.
She did say she would go into my account and she would do some developing.
Yeah.
I'm going to build the best boat ever.
Mine's the best boat. Why do you have not many materials?
I don't know. I don't like. This is my new account.
Why did you name it that? You used to go on your old account with ton of manhoos.
I used to have like a jetpack, didn't I?
Do you have a chair? Do you have a chair?
No.
You have what? You have 4 chairs. Oh no, the boat fell over, Charlie. The boat has fallen over.
This is gonna be the best boat ever.
Yes. It won't. I hope it does. Now just add that.
We need.
Some vamps.
Yeah, we need ramps.
Okay, when this one ends, I could go on your boat too.
Yeah.
I'm on end of the video.
No.
Yes.
We must keep recording
I don't want
until everyone can see my boat.
to.
I'm going to put everything on it so everyone can see it.
When should I join? Oh, I think I'm out on my boat.
Once every subscriber will see
And I'm dead.
what I've made.
I'm dead.
Let's make a boat together, but it's just gonna be random things. Come on.
Should I make a boat too with you?
Yeah. I've already started making like.
Wait, you know you. Are you? You're not on my team. What team are you? No, you're someone else on your team.
Black and black.
Someone else on your team, Charlie.
I'm black.
Okay, should I join your team, Charlie?
Yes.
Where's the luck? Hello, for join your team. Hello.
Yeah. It's that man launches the boat, I swear.
No.
Right. Come on. Let's build this.
So, should I get some chairs?
Why do you have so much wood?
I have 200. Oh, kid.
This is gonna. Ah! This is gonna be
Look how big it is. How many chairs do I have, Charlie? Oh, I have 59 chairs. Who wants some chairs? Who wants chairs? Who wants some chairs? Who wants some chairs? Yeah. Who wants some tables? Do you want some tables? Well, this would be the best boat ever, won't it?
Okay.
This would be the best boat ever, Charlie.
Why does this simply the best?
Yeah, it is. We got the best boat ever. We even winning this one.
We will win.
Bold.
The owner of Build a Boat will contact us and say,
I don't know.
you win the Build a Boat challenge.
Yes. I got something that I can add onto a boat. Boink.
We'll see on YouTube.
Oh, what the? But will they see our YouTube now? They probably won't. They probably won't see our YouTube.
Look at all this.
I can boat. Who wants to tell me? I got 26 of them.
You know when they made that massive,
Boat.
an aircon thing.
Yeah, I know.
This is what it's like.
Look up. Window Mayor. Window Mayor. chairs. I have tons of doors.
Chairs.
I'm trapped in my boat now. Chairs,
We need
doors.
ice to make ourselves cool.
And I got doors.
We need
And I got doors. And I got doors.
We're just taking everything out of our inventory.
And I got chest.
Should I attach some chests so I can get
I
more?
got chest.
Should I attach some more chests?
I got 14 chests.
No, but like, look.
For sure, mate.
Now let's keep building.
I got 16. Look how many chests I'm using. Look at my chest, Charlie.
Oh my god.
I'm making too many. This is not too many.
Keep building.
I know. I'm bolding, mate. I even have a tree. I even have a tree, Charlie.
It's still loading. I'm still getting.
Oh!
I need it to end. I want to build more.
We need glass. We need glass. We need more. He needs some more.
Right, come on.
We need more glass.
We need to.
And we need more
need
glass.
these. Oh my god.
We need more.
How much chairs do you have?
I have lots of metal chairs.
Well, we might have to use those.
I have 43 of them. Look at this.
It's beautiful.
Chairs everywhere. Chairs everywhere. Chairs everywhere. Chair mayhem, isn't it? Look how big. Look, do you think this will be the best build? I have 400 metal. My god.
I've got metal doors.
Metal. Who wants some metal? This is the best boat ever, Charlie.
You need concrete.
Where do we sit?
And
Where do we sit, Charlie?
well, basically, those metal chairs you'll probably have to use them in a minute.
I've already used them. All of the metal chairs.
We'll have to cart.
I have 400 metal. 400 metal what I'm using.
This is gonna be like the biggest boat.
I'm using 400 metal, Charlie. 400 metal, Charlie.
Oh, look at all the my metal.
And look at all of my metal. I have 400. You know you can just do that. You could just do that and just press it. That's what I want I'm doing. I have 700 metal things. 700! Metal. Who likes metal? Me. We could just, and then we could sit somewhere, and we could just bury it in ourselves in metal.
What should I put on my side?
And protect myself.
I lost my song.
No, I think it's on the boat. Somewhere. It's on the boat somewhere. It's on the boat somewhere. That's good.